What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to name this chemical, which is C6H5 2C2O4. C6H5 is the RE group, which is called phenyl. So two of them is gonna call diphenyl. On the other hand, we have C2O4 2 minus, that's oxalate ion. So together is going to be diphenyl oxalate. Oxalate is coming from oxalic acid, which is dicarboxylic acid, something like that. You have two carboxylic acid. When these hydrogens are substituted with phenyl group, it's going to be diphenyl oxalate. How to find the molar mass? We need to find what kind of elements we have. We have carbon, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. How many carbons we have? We have 6 times 2, 12, plus 2, 14. How many hydrogens? 5 times 2, 10. How many oxygen? We have 4 of them. So that's gonna be, basically I need to use the periodic table. The atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008. Atomic mass of oxygen is 15.999. That's going to be 14 times 12.011 plus, that's 168.1454. 10 times 1.008 is going to be 10.08, and 4 times 15.999 is going to be 63.996. When you add them together, it's going to be 10.08 plus 168.1454, 242.23 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of this compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding chemistry, physics, and math. Thank you for watching and have a great day.